didn't you bring your camera, Adam?
It's raining and I don't want to get wet.
It's not raining. Look at me in there. That's way too big.
No, it's like fucking Batman.
Oh my god, I have that freaking AFI song stuck in my head.
Remember that show Darkwing Duck?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my god, do I?
Yes!
Do I ever? Oh my god, I can record you getting your hair dyed, Adam. This is a before. I want to take a before and after picture of you.
Okay.
Alright. And I can have my MySpace because now you can miraculously have like 60,000 pictures on MySpace. I went on there, I was like,
I know, right? I went on there to like change pictures and I was like, how come I can still have a lot if I have 16? I kept having it counted because I'm like, I'm counting wrong.
I know. I went on there, no, actually I found out because of Erica's MySpace. I was like, how the fuck does Erica have 2 pages of pictures?
I know, I was like, is that like a special code? I was like, can I have the code? I was like, I want a code. And I was like, oh, you can have more than pictures.
So we have to take more pretty pictures of me because everyone needs to see how gorgeous I am, but we need to somehow like paste Will into them because he never takes pictures with me.
Yeah.
Every time I try, his camera magically does a tap back.
Why is it so loud? Sorry. I get scared of like cars very close to me. Cafe Andiamo. How do I what?
How do you live with Matt?
I don't live with Matt.
You know what I mean.
Oh.
Car. Ooh, I just creamed myself a Corvette.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
No, randomly when I was Christmas shopping for Will, I was talking about how we were totally going to run into him, and Matt was like, no.
Yeah, he told me the story.
Yeah, and then he was chasing a Corvette, and magically Will was there.
Oh, I know. He told me. And he showed me.
How did he show you?
Are you still taping? You're not taping anything. You're like taping the grass.
No, I'm not.
That's my eye level.
Can you just fucking show me? I can't do this. What the fuck is this place? Simply Elegant Salon? Like, what the fuck is... Oh, sorry, people coming.
When did that get there? I really don't know.
Nobody is in there.
A laundromat?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Randy used to come here and we'd wash her really gross underwear.
Oh my god!
You know, it was sitting there in a pile for like 3 months.
How about I only have 3 minutes of taping left?
How about maybe you should have not taped us walking here and taped us doing his hair?